Golden Honey, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my very own lavender vanilla goddess butter. So excited! So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I put out a video. But breaking news, I have something to tell y'all. I just opened up my very own e-commerce store. I sell women and men apparel and much more. So if you want to check out my website, I'll leave the link down below and support small business like mine. So with further ado, let's get started. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need some raw shea butter, some vanilla extract, lavender essential oil, sweet almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, and some teaspoons. I have a half a teaspoon and I have a teaspoon. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and boil this down. Well, not boil it. I'm going to melt it down. Sorry. I'm going to go ahead and melt this down on the stove top. I'm going to do the double boiler effect and until it dissolves completely. Or you can probably pop it in the microwave for a little minute, and it's not too long if you ever do it. So because you don't want to burn the oil or kill off all the nutrients inside of it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this on the stove top and melt it down. Now that I have my shea butter completely melted, I'm going to start with my adding in my oils and my extract and essential oil. I'm going to go ahead and start with the extra virgin oil right here. Just up a little bit. Okay. We'll put 2 teaspoons in there of the olive oil. Oops. Or roughly 2 teaspoons because it kind of flipped over. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do 4 of them. 4 teaspoons. That. Now I'm going to add my sweet almond oil. I'm going to do 4 teaspoons of this as well. And I'm gonna put about 10 to 15 drops in here. If more go in there, just happen to go that way, but roughly about 10 to 15 drops. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that seems about right. And I'm gonna get a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And close that back up. I'm gonna have to stir it in. After you stir, we're going to go ahead and let it completely cool off. The butter will solidify and just let it become rock solid. So no more than probably 15 to 20 minutes in the refrigerator. It should solidify it completely and we can go from there. I'll come back when it's completely solidified. Okay, now I have my butter almost completely solidified. It's still a little soft. Just a little bit. It's still kind of like goopy in the middle, but I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this to the bowl, the larger bowl, so I can blend it up and make an actual whipped butter. Let me scrape the sides. It's like ice cream. Not really. That's how it looks so far. Now I'm gonna hand it. And now I'm going to blend it with my blender. Wow, this is an old school blender. I didn't even know. Here we go. Put it in there. Let's get y'all a little closer to this thing. So we're starting to whip up a little bit. It's pretty thick. Let's start off on a low speed. Okay, now the butter is completely whipped. I'm gonna go ahead and add it into its container that I got here. It's not a new container, it's an old container I had laying around, so that I cleaned out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to there. You can make it look all fancy. You can like one of those little piping bags. You can put it like that, using that, or you can just place it in the container. Now you have your butter. Okay, now we're done making our body butter. This is how it should look. Like that. Like I said earlier, if you want to make it, if you want to make this looser, you can always add more oil to it, and it won't be so thick. But I think this is a good consistency since I'm putting it into my hair, so I can use it as a twisting butter, or you can use it as the body butter itself. And it smells awesome. So, vanilla lavender is where it's at. Or what I said, vanilla lavender or lavender vanilla. I forgot. It's gonna be up there on the title. Anyways, let's try it out. Okay. Put another hand so you can see it better. Rub it in. I added too much, but you can always rub it in everywhere else, so a little goes a long, long way. You see how smooth and shiny it is? Very moisturizing to your skin. Shea butter is a really good butter to put on your skin. Oh, so pretty. So, thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and wait for my next video. Bye.